happens in other countries. Maybe our government should learn to other countries how they support their animation industry. Our government only give us money to support this industry, but we need more than only money or budget to build up our animation. We need some protection. We need some what we call priority, like this. When we saw the national television, there are no protection to our animation movies. The government can make policy. Then the government should get policy kebijakan to protect our animation movie. Like every national television must uh, must at least containing about 20 or 30% their movie of animation
Indonesia.
local, yeah, Indonesia. Because of that. But our government uh, nothing like that, not yet maybe. So this is one of my hope to our government.
Okay. Polymedia is state polytechnic. In teaching or practice is always using paid software. The question is why Polymedia does not use open source software that support the government motion in the IGOS Indonesia Gone open source. Why?
Yeah, this is a little bit out of context. I got only say go the open software is not a good policy because the world is not going to that path, to that way. The world, I mean, the world is the whole country is not using that term. They are not. Why we must use open source? Because we cannot pay, right?
Yeah.
I don't think so. We can pay, but we do not want to pay. It's like to deny the piracy in Indonesia. The solution is not proclaim IGOS program. No, because we will go uh, across the mainstream, melawan arus. The world is not go to that way. So why Polymedia use open source software? There's no difference between open source and paid software, or yeah, software like Adobe or maybe Autodesk. There's no big difference. The big difference is the one is free and the other one is paid. So why if we can pay, the system can pay, why we must do the open software? Because when you graduate from this institution, the industry not use open source. Maybe Indonesia yes, but when you go to Singapore, they are not using open software. So how you can make a good competition, to win the competition between Singaporean students if you don't have a good skill in their software and they using paid software. So this is why Polymedia still use paid software. But if you want to learn open software, it's okay, and it's no big difference. That's the same way, same one.
How about local content in animation Polymedia? It must be explained with what the local content is.
Yeah, the local content, like when we stand in Jakarta, maybe Batavia or Betawi culture, maybe Java or maybe yeah Indonesian culture like Dayak or the society norm like Kabu. So when you create animation, the local content, like the character design, the script, it should be have correlation with our environment. But in Polymedia, we want to do that. But right now, you as the first grade student still doing all about technique, all about technique. When I teach you, I never ask you to create concept, create what local content is. Maybe I will do that on the second phase, but we want to influence our animation to be with local content.
The next with why is
What is your big dream? My big dream. Last night or my whole life? Maybe my life. Yeah, as a lecturer, I just wondering, I just hope that my student can be better, much better than me. That's my big dream. Are there obstacles to realize your big dream? Yeah, because I work with human,
yeah,
not with machine. So when I have a dream to change you, the obstacle is, do you want that happen to you? That's my obstacle. So when I try to transfer my knowledge, when I want to transfer, I want to realize my dream, must be a lot of conversation, a lot of adaptation between me and you and my student. That's not obstacle, but yeah, maybe that's the process. What is the people that your student inspire me? This is maybe standard answer, but maybe memang. The last question, what is the important thing to know those who want to become a professional animator? How for me to know when someone can be a professional animator? Everybody has a chance to be a professional, but the one thing that makes the difference is when I see the patient. If you have patience, if you show the patience, and it will make you a be professional faster than the other. So the patient will be the first clue that someone be professional. Thank you for your time to share. Okay, thanks.
ya.
Oke, Kat. Iya.
Pindahin dulu.
Ini dulu sama Ines sekarang.
Iya, mau dipindahin nanti Ines sekarang Pak. Pindahin dulu Ines. Mana nih?
Iya.
Udah dibalas. Ini ratu kamu kan? Ini, ayo pindahin. Bukan
Nyala.
kan ini punya kita.
Oh iya benar.
Apa dipindah ke dia?